A rainy day, Pip, huh? It's raining in Boise. How about that? In June. Look at that. Pip's not crazy about water. Yeah, it's like really raining. Everything's getting nice and watered. Pip, what'd he say? What'd he say? Oh, looks like Ellie woke up. It looks like Ellie woke up. What do you think, Ellie?
I can do. Hello, Pip. Not too bad. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good.
It's raining.
Where's Luke?
Oh, he's just in there.
Oh, here's something cool. A robin's built a nest right up there. There's a bunch of babies in there. They're not there right now. Well, they're in there, but the mom's out getting worms. Hey, Luke, you're getting all wet. You're getting all wet. There you go.
I'm wet.
Yeah, that's because it's raining. Ooh, Sophie's up too. Sophie's up and Marcia's up.
And also Andy's up.
Andy's up. Where is he? I don't see him.
He's like this.
Where is he?
I don't know.
I'm looking everywhere. I don't.
No, turn your camera around.
Turn it around. Okay. I turned my camera around. I'm still not there. I don't know. I don't know where he is.
Turn it so I'll show you what I mean.
You're making the camera all jiggly. Stop it.
So this is interesting. It says thunderstorms from 3 to 6 p.m.
Today?
Yeah. But the rain level is below light. Oh no, it goes back up at 3 o'clock. So it's really light between 12 and 3.
Oh, okay. Well, it's just gonna be a rainy day.
Did you walk through? Yeah. I didn't do.
It's gonna be a rainy day. Play it and play pool. We can play some music. Who's making breakfast? Who's making breakfast?
I do this.